Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly, you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical design Croatia cardigan designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Why the video start to end? Because in this video you will see stunning and unique Croatia cardigan designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. Unique is cutting designs, beautiful textures, patterns, elegant appearance, feminine flowing soil coat, versatile styling option, comfortable breathable soft yarns, warm, suitable from cooler weather. Durability, long lasting distance to wear, easy care machines, washables and dryable. Confidence booster, unique handmade designs, self experience, reflect personal style, reflections, gleaming, smoothing texture, connections, handmade sentimental value, pride of ownership, quality, handmade, graded, natural fabric, hemoglobin, breathable, regulations of body temperature, improve mood, colorful designs, happy vibes, reduce stress, soft gleaming textures, mindful Croatia promo relaxations, formal design, lifted designs, berry inspired patterns, butterfly, bay fashions, single crochet, double crochet, half crochet, triple crochet, stitch, cotton, wool, national bombo silk, season climate, personal style, performance, body type, fit, budget occasions is a very different and beautiful color flowers designs. Croatia is a very beautiful designs. Longer floral designs featuring shallow imperial base treatment, pastel designs. Some people Croatia 3D flower garden designs, trends, colorful, playful design, natural inspired modes, amber color schemes, mixed media, customization, personalizations, fit designs. Would you do like to explore spaces Croatia 3D flower garden designs or benefits of your needs? So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices and they love different types of decor ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite design and apply on your place for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your decorations. So viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your prayers. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you soon viewers. Take care and Allah Hafiz.